Hi students, today's session we are going to calculate basic medium. First one we completed. I am going to explain second one. Balance the following. Balance the following equation in basic medium by ion electron method. Balance the following equation in basic medium by ion electron method. This is the equation. N2H H4 plus ClO3 chlorate ion gives rise to NO plus Cl minus. So first of all we have to find oxidation states. Finding oxidation state of N2H4. N2H4 oxidation state of N2H4. Finding oxidation state of nitrogen here. Reactant side nitrogen is there. Product side also nitrogen is there. Finding oxidation state of N2H4. Here nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. For 1 nitrogen X, 2 nitrogens 2x. 2x plus 4 equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 2. How much? X is equal to minus 2. What is the oxidation state of nitrogen in N2H4 is minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. Here I am calculating ClO3. ClO3 minus ion. See here calculating oxidation state of chlorine. X minus 6 equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus 6. X is equal to plus 5. X is equal to plus 5. What is the oxidation state of chlorine in ClO3 minus is plus 5. Here oxidation state of NO. Oxidation state finding nitrogen. N is equal to X. X minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 2. What is the oxidation state of nitrogen in NO? 2. NO 2. Cl minus ion. Oxidation state of Cl minus ion. So here minus 1. Minus 1. So x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 1. X minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1. All element sum which is equal to how much, student? So here negative radical means negative radical. Negative radical. So for chloride ion, oxidation state minus 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. You can find like this also. Cl minus, Cl is equal to X. Cl is equal to X. So X is equal to minus 1. All elements sum which is equal to negative radical. This is the skeleton ionic equation. So oxidation number from reactants to products increases, that is known as a oxidation half reaction. See here minus 2, nitrogen minus 2 to plus 2. Oxidation number increases. This is oxidation half reaction. Here plus 5 to minus 1. Plus 5 to minus 1. Oxidation number decreases. This is a reduction of reaction. OH RH. What is OH? Oxidation number increases from reactants to product side. N2H4 to NO. N2H4 gives rise to NO. This is OH. Oxidation number increases minus 2 to 2. Here ClO3 minus gives rise to Cl minus. Cl minus. Plus 5 to minus 1. Oxidation number decreases. What is our first step? Balance other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Here reactant side, for reactant side 2 nitrogens is there, balancing. Here product side 2 nitrogens. Here already balanced. This side 1 chlorine, this side 1 chlorine. Balancing other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Now balancing oxygen atoms by adding water molecules to the deficient side. Balancing oxygen atoms. Here products are 2 oxygens is there, here no oxygens. I am adding 2 water molecules in reactant side. Here how many oxygens are is there? Introduction of reaction, ClO3 minus. Reactant side 3 oxygens is there. In product side deficient, oxygens deficient. In product side oxygens is deficient. Here 3 oxygens, here no oxygens. That's why I am adding 3 water molecules in product side. Now balancing hydrogen atoms. Balancing hydrogen atoms by adding water molecules to the deficient side, and equal number of OH minus ions are added to the opposite side. N2H4 plus, so balancing hydrogen atoms. See here this side reactant side how many hydrogens are is there? This 4 hydrogens here, 2 2s 4 hydrogens, total 8 hydrogens is there. 2H2O. In product side, so 8 hydrogens deficient, so I am adding 8 water molecules in product side, and equal number of OH minus ions are added to the opposite side. In product side how many hydrogens are is there? 6 hydrogens are is there. Here no hydrogens. I am adding 6 water molecules. This side is 6 oxygens deficient, that's why I am adding 6 water molecules in reactant side, and equal number of OH minus ions are added. Here we added 6 water molecules, here equal number of OH minus ions are added to the opposite side. See here, take simplification, 2 water molecules. Here we left 6 water molecules. Here 3 water molecules. We left 3 water molecules. Again I am writing N2H4 plus 8OH minus gives rise to 2NO plus 6H2O. ClO3, reduction of reaction, ClO3 plus 3H2O gives rise to Cl minus plus 6OH minus. Now balancing charge. Note I am writing. This is rough work, that's why I am writing like note, mentioning note. 0 minus 8 gives rise to, here no charge is there, 0 plus 0, no charge is there. So take this minus 8, we got 8 electrons. We have to add this 8 electrons, loss of electrons. Here we have to add minus 1 plus 0 gives rise to minus 1, minus 1, minus 6, minus 1, here minus 7, take this minus 7, right side plus 7, we got 6 electrons, gain of electrons. Reduction of reaction means we have to add 6 electrons in reactant side. So not this one. So these 8 electrons I am adding here. These 8 electrons I am adding. Loss of electrons. This is 2n. N2H4. N2H4 plus 8OH minus 8OH minus gives rise to 2NO plus 6H2O. Loss of electrons. How many electrons? Here 8 electrons. I am adding here. Loss of electrons. This 6 electrons. Gain of electrons. ClO3 minus plus 3H2O. These 6 electrons I am adding here. Reactant side 6 electrons gives rise to Cl minus plus 6OH minus. Now equalize the electrons. How to equalize? Solving equations. This is taken as first equation. This is taken as second equation. Equalize the electrons. This equation I am multiplying with 3. 8 3s are 24 electrons. Here multiplying with 4. Total equation I am multiplying. See here 3N2H4 plus 8 3 is 24 OH minus gives rise to 326 NO plus 6 3s are 18 H2O plus 8 3s are 24 electrons. I am adding these two equations. Adding this. Multiply. This equation is multiplying with 3. We got this equation. I am multiplying with this equation. Reduction of reaction with 4. 4ClO3 minus plus 3 4s are 12H2O plus 6 4s are 24 electrons. 4 3s 4 into Cl minus 4Cl minus plus 6 4s are 24. I am erasing this one. Cl minus plus 6 4s 24 OH minus. Adding these two equations. Oxidation of reaction multiplying with 3 we got this equation. Reduction of reaction multiplying with 4 we got this equation. So cancelling 24 here 24 OH minus. Product side also 24 OH minus cancel. Here 12 H2O subtract from 8. How much we got? 6. Writing 3N2H4 plus 4ClO3 minus these two molecules we left here, reactant side, in product side. See here 6NO plus 6H2O. Here we left a 6H2O plus 4Cl minus 4Cl. This is 6NO, 6H2O plus 4Cl minus. This is the balanced equations. See, once I am verifying 3 to 6 nitrogens. Here we got 6 nitrogens. Hydrogens 3 4s are 12, 6 2s 12, chlorines, 4 chlorines here, reactant side, product side, oxygens 4 3 is 12, here 6 oxygens, here 6 oxygens. This is the balanced equation. ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.